we are going to look at two different methods to install the latest version of Python on your Windows PC. You can choose any method that you prefer. We shall then run a sample program after the installation. For method 1, let us start. Open a browser, any browser on your PC. Then we are going to go to the Python website. So type python.org. You can type python.org. Then go to the link where there is python.org. This is going to open up the official Python website. Then you're going to go and head to downloads. When you hover on downloads, go ahead and click on Python. The latest version we have right now is 3.11.4. So they're saying that note that Python 3.9 cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. So I'm assuming that you have Windows 10 or Windows 11. Then you might want to click Python 3.11.4. When you click, the file is going to start downloading. After the downloading of the file, double click the downloaded file, run. Then the first step you have to do is to make sure that you add python.exe to the path. This is going to enable us to use the Python interpreter from any part of the file system. When you finish, the next step is going to be click on install now. Then yes, Python is installing. Python is installing. If you have a 32-bit, you might want to go back to the downloads page and look for a 32-bit download version. Okay, this is for 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit, then go back to the website and look for a 32-bit download version. Okay, now they are saying the setup was successful. Now we have disable path length limit. We are going to click disable path length limit. Disabling the path length limit means that we can use more than 260 characters in a file path. So click that, disable that, and click yes. Okay, now click close to end the installation. That is method 1 of installing Python. Then the second method you can install Python is go to your Microsoft Store, open Microsoft Store like that. So we're going to be installing Python via the Microsoft Store. But with this method, I wouldn't recommend it compared to the previous method. I'll show you why. Type in Python and click enter. Okay. Now, as you look at this method, we are having version 3.11, version 3.10, version 3.9. The reason why I prefer the other method for the python.org is that it provides you with the latest version of Python. Most of the times, the Python at the Microsoft Store is not yet updated. They update later after the ones for the websites have updated. So I think the website would be the best version, but if you can still use this, it's also okay. So you just have to click on Python, the version that you prefer, then you click on Gate. So when you click on Gate like this, it's going to start downloading. Okay, so when you click Gate, so they're saying pending, then starting to download. So it is downloading. So you can either use this method or you can use the first method. Okay, now it has finished downloading, then installing. It has finished installing. So you can choose any method that you prefer. Next, after the installation of Python, we are going to go and run Python in Windows. Let us try testing Python in Windows. So just go to Windows. You can type maybe CMD. You can open up Python in command prompt. Okay. When you get your command prompt, just type in Python and hit enter. You see that now they can show that we can edit Python in Windows. Now maybe we can try and create a short Python script that uses a for loop to print a message, maybe like 10 times. Okay, so we shall go for our for loop. Okay, for I in range. Now maybe print the message out 10 times. Okay, so put that 10 times. Then you hit enter. Then when you finish, maybe you might wanna put maybe a space like 4 times to prevent an error. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can print a string. Let us go for please like and comment plus subscribe. Then you can run this program and see. I'll hit enter again. Okay, you can see that is our simple script that is going to produce that string 10 times. Then the other way you can also maybe try to open up Python is you can just click your Windows button, then type Python. You can see that we have Python, the app. That one is in case you use the Microsoft Store. Then we have IDLE, then we have Python. Let us click this. If you click this one gives you the same interface for the command line. Okay, you get the same command line interface. So you can choose to use either a CMD or you can choose to use that one. Okay, this one gives you the same interface for command line. See, print, then they say print. Please subscribe. Maybe you can also choose to go and use the press Windows, then put Python. This time we're going to go and choose the maybe the IDLE, this one. The good thing with the Python IDLE is that it gives you the ability to create and edit the files with ease. Okay, so you can also create a simple maybe print, and we print a simple string just here. Please subscribe to our channel. Then we shall hit enter. Okay, that is it for our tutorial today for installing Python. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Goodbye.